Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenivek. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Emily Grafeo. Emily, I think I know what your number one stock mover is going to be today, but go ahead.
Okay, well, this was the biggest mover today.
Okay,
undeniably.
I was right.
Advanced Micro Devices, otherwise known as AMD, that's also the ticker here, AMD, closing out the trading day at the highest level since March 2024 after jumping 23% in the regular trading session and adding about $63 billion in market cap, which is just crazy numbers to think that all of that was added in just a day. This all, of course, coming after the company landed a blockbuster deal with ChatGPT's parent company, OpenAI. They're going to be building out artificial intelligence infrastructure. I mean, anyone who's coming out these days with a partnership with OpenAI, which is arguably one of the hottest, if not the hottest, private company at the moment, you're going to see the stock move. But this was a notable move just for the actual size and scale of it. And the fact that, we're kind of reaching a moment right now where some analysts are coming out and questioning how much further the AI trade has to run. Certainly, there's more people willing to go long it, just looking at the trading today. But we'll see if it holds. We did see CFRA and Barclays both boosting their stock price targets on AMD. So clearly some people still see some left here in the trade.
A little amazing to see a move such as this, especially when the stock was up as much as 37.7% at one point in today's session, but again, higher by 23% today. Matt Levine has a great column out on this. I went and checked it out.
Yeah.
Everybody should go and read it and his take on this. It's pretty funny.
Yes, I won't pretend to be the Matt Levine translator, so I'll just.
But there are footnotes for that. There are footnotes for that.
Yes. He has a theory on basically like how this is all getting paid for and how the actual deal is going to work out. What we know just like from the announcement today is that OpenAI will deploy 6 gigawatts worth of AMD graphics processing units over multiple years. So there's a strategic partnership, but go read Matt Levine's column for more on that. Okay,
AMD certainly a mover to the upside today. A mover to the downside. AppLovin, what happened?
That's right. AppLovin, the social media company, dropped about 14% to close the day, and it's moving even lower in the post market, now down about 5%. We got some news, some actual reporting from Bloomberg News that the Securities and Exchange Commission is probing the data collection practices of AppLovin. The reporting is according to people familiar with the matter. The people also said that the SEC has specifically looked into allegations that AppLovin violated platform partners' service agreements to push more targeted advertising to consumers. AppLovin so far declined to comment. They said they don't generally speak on potential regulatory matters, but this really did sink the stock late in the trading day. So want to watch more here for the details. But again, AppLovin falling 14% today.
Okay. And finally, some M&A news today, creating a couple movers. What did you find?
That's right. So Comerica, one of the regional banks in the nation, is going to be combining with Fifth Third. So Fifth Third today agreed to buy Comerica for about $10.9 billion in stock. This is going to be the largest U.S. bank deal this year. And we've actually already seen some regional banking M&A this year, but this one taking the prize here for the first. So Comerica, ticker CMA, rose 14% today to the highest level since 2022. We did see Fifth Third closing the day down about 1%, but we'll have to see whether that holds, because the analyst from Baird said the deal is a win-win for both banks. Typically, though, you do see the acquirer, the shares of the acquirer go down on like a deal news like this, and the acquiree.
And we did, right?
Up. And that's what we did see, today.
With Fifth Third Bank shares falling ever so slightly today. What was it? It was down like
Down
little
about
over
1%.
A 1%.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.